Hey, Lisette here for Tool Tester. So, you're a pro at creating videos and want to share them with the world, but aren't sure where to start? We've got you. Whether you want to create a portfolio, offer video making courses, or even rent or sell your videos online, the best place to do that is on your very own website. And it's actually really easy to do if you have the right website builder specific to your needs. So let's check out the top 4 along with their pros and cons to help you land on the best one for you. Wix is perfect for videographers and artists who want an easy-to-use platform with plenty of design options. With the Wix video app, you can upload videos and host them on your Wix site, create video galleries, sell and rent videos, offer subscriptions, and live stream. It's even possible to create online video courses via the Wix Online Programs app. One of the best things about Wix is its selection of video portfolio templates. It also offers a user-friendly drag-and-drop editor and strong SEO tools to help boost your Google rankings. Wix offers a range of pricing options for video websites, including a free plan, which allows you to upload up to 3 10-minute videos and stream up to 10 minutes of live video. Paid plans give you ad-free sites and increase your video uploads. You can also embed videos that have been uploaded to sites like YouTube and Vimeo. However, its cons include slower loading speeds, especially for media-heavy websites, and more expensive pricing than other website builders. Also, it's not possible to display captions or offer different playback speeds on videos, at least for now. Next up on our list is Weebly. Weebly is both beginner and budget-friendly and even offers its own HD video and audio player. The upload limit is 1 GB per video, which should be enough for about 10 to 15 minutes of HD footage. And you can upload as many videos as you like. Videos can also be downloaded by your visitors if you allow it, and video embedding is also possible. Its drag-and-drop editor is easy to use and its pricing is economical, with a range of plans available, including a free option. However, you only get a limited selection of templates, and ever since Square acquired Weebly, there have been hardly any product updates to the website builder. A final drawback is that the video player isn't the most modern, design-wise, and only offers the most basic playback features. Now let's move on to our next website builder, Squarespace. Squarespace is known for its beautiful templates and customizable design options, making it a popular choice for creatives like videographers. It offers eye-catching portfolio and gallery designs, different video playback speeds, and even a TikTok-inspired video maker. It's also excellent for blogging and SEO and offers fantastic features for monetizing videos, such as subscription-only member areas. There are plans for personal, business, and e-commerce sites, but unfortunately no free plan. Its pricing is similar to Wix's, putting it on a more premium end of the scale. However, you can only upload up to 30 minutes of video, and increasing this limit can get a bit expensive. So if you're planning on using Squarespace, embedding videos hosted on external streaming platforms is probably going to work out cheaper for you. Finally, there's WordPress, which needs no introduction. It's a good choice for videographers who want complete control over the website's design and functionality, thanks to its huge range of plugins and extensions, including video player and gallery plugins. However, it is more technical to set up and manage than other options, and you'll need to purchase your own hosting and domain. It's also important to keep in mind that video consumes a lot of data, so make sure your web host has no cap on bandwidth. Additionally, if you're planning to host a lot of videos or have very active viewers, it's usually better to use an external video hosting service like YouTube or Wistia. Of course, the best website builder for you will depend on your specific needs. If you want to sell, rent, or stream your videos, Wix is the top option. If you want to host a large number of videos cheaply, Weebly is the way to go. If you want to build a membership website, we'd recommend Squarespace or Wix. And finally, if you want to scale your website and have greater control over design, go with WordPress. Thanks for watching. Hit like or subscribe if you'd like to see more on how to showcase your work online. See you next time.